In this video, we will be discussing sequence and series JEE mains previous year questions. First of all, we can start with this question. Let A1, A2, A3, let A1, A2, A3 be 3 AP with the same common difference D. There are 3 APs whose common difference is D. Having their first terms A, the first term of A1 is A, first term of A2 is A plus 1, first term of A3 is A plus 2. Respectively, let A, B, C are 7th, 9th, 17th terms of A1, A2, A3. Respectively, we have one determined value, and again if A equal to 29, first A equal to 29, which means there are two variables we need to find, A and D common difference and first term capital A. For that two variables we require two equations. In order to form two equations, they have given us two different conditions. Now after finding these value, then the sum of first 20 terms of an AP whose first term, the new AP whose first term is C minus A minus B, having common difference 1 by D by 12, which means we need to find the sum of first 20 terms of the new AP with the common difference 1 by 12 and first term as C minus A minus B. We can start solving. What is A? A is the 7th term of A1. Nth term of an AP, An equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Similarly, what is A7? 7th term of A1. 7th term of A1 equal to A equal to 7th term of A1 equal to A plus 6D. N minus 1 to D is 6D. Similarly, what is B? B value is the 9th term of A2. B is the 9th term of A2. What is the first term of A2? A plus 1 plus 9th term of A2 means we need to add 8 times 1 n minus 1 into common differences is A plus n minus 1 to D. 9th term means n minus 1 is 8. Similarly, what is C? C is the 17th term of A3. What is the first term of A3? It is A plus 2 plus 17th term means we need to add n minus 1 to D is 16 times D, which means we have found the value of small a, b, c respectively. Now we can put it in the determined value. We can substitute here. A, what is A value? A plus 6D, 7, 1. What is 2 times B? 2 times B is 2 times this value. It is 2A plus 2 plus 16D, then 70, 1. What is C? C is A plus 2 plus 16D, then 17, 1. I have substituted all value plus 70 equal to 0. Now, in order to simplify the determined value, I am applying elementary operation. I am subtracting second row from the third row, which means when you subtract it, 2 and 2 cancel, 16D cancel, the final value is A minus 2A, which is equal to minus A, 17 cancel, 1 minus 1, 0, gone, 17 minus 0, gone. Now, I am subtracting first row from the second row. If I subtract, what will be the value? 2A minus A is A, 2, there is no number, no value is there. 16D minus 60 will be 10 times D, then 17 minus 7 is 10, then 1 minus 1 is 0. Similarly, remaining value is A plus 6D, 7, 1 plus 7D equal to 0. If you have a triangular matrix, see this is an upper triangular matrix, which means lower value is 0. See, this is a triangular matrix. So if a triangular matrix have only value in not on the main diagonal, if it is in main diagonal, just multiply the value. Here the all values are in the off diagonal. See, it is not in the main diagonal. As it is not in the main diagonal, the determined value will be negative of product of all diagonal values, which is equal to minus of minus A into 10. This is the determined value. Minus A into 10 into 1. That is minus A into 10. The negative value of all, the negative of all off diagonal elements, product of all off diagonal elements, plus 70 equal to 0. We can cancel, or we can write 10A plus 70 equal to 0. 10, 10 cancel, A equal to minus 7. We have found the value of A as minus 7. We have got the value of A as 7, minus 7. Now, they have given A equal to 29. A equal to 29. If A equal to 29 means A plus 60 equal to 29, A value is minus 7 plus 60 equal to 29, 60 equal to 29 plus 7, 36, D value equal to 6. Now, we need to find the first 20 terms of the new AP formed. How will you find the first 20 terms of the new AP? What is the first term of new AP? C minus A minus D. For the new AP, this is for the new AP. For new AP, first term A, we can call it as A or we can call it as A4 or any value. We can find, or I am calling it as K. Let K be the first term of that new AP formed. K equal to how much? C minus A minus B. C equal to C minus A minus B is K, the new first term of new AP. What is the value of C? C equal to A plus 2 plus 16D minus A. When you subtract A, it is minus A minus 6D. When you subtract B, it is minus A minus 1 minus 8D, which means K value, the first term of the new AP formed, equal to, we can calculate minus A plus A subtracted, then minus 6D minus 8D, it will be minus 14D, minus 14D and 16D, it will be plus 2D, 2 minus 1 is 1 and there is one minus A. All value, just solve all value. Now what is the first term of new AB form? D value is 2 into 6 plus 1 into minus of minus 7 is plus 7, which is equal to 12 plus 1 plus 7, which is equal to 20, which means the new AP, first term of new AP is 20. First term of new AP is 20. And what is the common difference of the new AP? The required AP has a common difference of D by 12, which is equal to D by 12 equal to 6 by 12, which is equal to half. The new AP's common difference is half. This is the common difference of new AP. This is the first term of new AP. Now what is first in terms of an AP? Sn equal to, first in terms of an AP, Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Now we can calculate sum of first 20 terms of the new AP formed. S 20 terms equal to n by 2 is 20 by 2 into 2a. 2 times a is 2 times the first value. Here first value is how much? It is 20. 2 into 20, 40 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 is 20 minus 1 is 19 into D is half. Here the common difference of the new AP is half. Now this will be, this will be cancelled. It will be 10. And remaining value, when you cross multiply, it is 80 plus 19 divided by 2. You can cancel these two values. It will be 5, which is equal to 5 into 80 plus 19 is 99. So how will you multiply this value? You can multiply 5 into 100 minus 1, which is equal to 500 minus 5, which is equal to 495. This is the answer. Let A, B, C greater than 1, A cube, B cube, C cube be in arithmetic progression, and log B to the base A, log A to the base C, and log C to the base B are in GP. The sum of first 20 terms of an AP whose first term is A, this one, A plus 4A for B plus C divided by 2 divided by 3, and the common difference, this is the common difference, is, which means the new AP which has the first term and common difference. These two values are, the sum of first 20 terms is minus 444. Then A into B into C equal to, we need to find the value of A, B, C and then multiply all three. If these three terms are an arithmetic progression, means the middle value will be arithmetic mean of first and third term. The second term will be the arithmetic mean of first and third term, which means B cube equal to A cube plus C cube divided by arithmetic mean. Similarly, if these three terms are in geometric progression, which means the middle value log A to the base C will be the geometric mean of log B to the base A, log C to the base B. Now log A to the base C, when we square on both sides, log A to the base C the whole square equal to root of log A by B is log A divided by log B. Similarly, this is log B divided by log A into log C divided by log A, and we have squared, so there is no need to write this root, which means we have taken square on both sides. Now log B cancel. This is log B C divided by log B. Log C by log B will be, log C to the base B will be log C divided by log B. So these two value will be cancelled. Log a to the base c the whole square equal to log c divided by log a, or we can write log a to the base c the whole square equal to 1 by log a to the base c. We can cross multiply this value. This is equal to log a to the base c the whole cube equal to 1, which means log a to the base c equal to 1. Therefore, we can write a equal to c, which means a equal to c. If a equal to c means, we can take this equation b cube equal to a cube plus a cube divided by 2, which means b cube equal to a cube, therefore b equal to a, which means we can conclude a equal to b equal to c. All three values are equal. Now, both a equal to b equal to c. All three values are equal. Now, we need to find, it is given that sum of 20 terms of an AP whose first term is a plus 4b plus c divided by 3. If a equal to b equal to 3, we can write it as a plus 4, this value, a plus 4b plus c divided by 3 equal to, if a equal to b equal to 3, we can write a plus 4a plus a divided by 3, which is equal to 6a divided by 3, which is equal to 2a. 2a is the first term for the new AP. This is the first term of the new AP. And what is the common difference? A minus 8b plus c divided by 10. The common difference for the new AP will be d equal to a minus 8b plus c divided by 10, which is equal to a minus 8a plus a divided by 10, which is equal to minus 6a divided by 10, which is equal to minus 3a by 5. This is the common difference. Now, we have sum of 20 terms. Sum of 20 terms equal to minus 444. It is given for this particular AP. Sum of first 20 term is minus 444. Therefore, we can substitute this value. Sum of first 20 terms equal to 20 by 2, n by 2 into 2a. Sum of n terms equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Similarly, here it will be n by 2 into 2a. 2a will be 2 into 2 times a. In the new AP, this is the first term. Plus n minus 1. 20 minus 1 is 90 times into d value is minus 3a by 5. Now, we can simplify this equation. We will get the value of a. See this one. Now, 20 by 2 will be 10. 20 by 2 will be 10. Minus 444 equal to 10 into 2 into 2a, 4a minus 19 into 3. 19 into 3. 3 into 19 is 20 minus 3. 90 minus 1, which is equal to 60 minus 3, which is equal to 57. This value is 57a divided by 5. We can simplify this value. Minus 444 equal to 10 into, when you cross multiply, 20a, 4 into 5, 20a minus 57a divided by 5. Now, 5 and 10 cancel, it will be 2. You can cancel this 2, it will be minus 2 equal to 20a minus 37, 57a is minus 37a. You can cancel these two value. When you divide, 2 divided by 37 equal to a. In 7 table, how will you get a unit digit 2? You should multiply with 6. 6 7s are 42. We can try 37 into 6. It will be 42, 4, 18, 2, 2, 2. Which means this value is equal to a. Which means our a value equal to 6. If a equal to 6 means b equal to 6, c equal to 6. What is a into b into c? 6 into 6 into 6. It is 6 cube. 6 cube, which is equal to 216. So, option B is correct. The number of terms in an AP is even. There are even terms, even number of terms in an AP. The sum of the odd terms is 24. Odd terms, sum of all odd terms is 24. And the sum of all even terms is 30. The last term exceeds the first term with 10 and a half. The number of terms in the AP. We need to find the number of terms in the AP. In order to find this, if there are, suppose we have, let this be the AP. There are 2n terms. We can take even number of times, we can take 2n, which means n even terms will be there and n odd terms will be there. And what is the common difference between each even term and each odd term? It is 2 times common difference. When you add one, you will get next one. When you add again one, you will get the next even number. So this difference between two consecutive even number or consecutive odd number is 2 times the common difference, which means we can write it as sum of all odd terms. How will you write? First term is odd term. So let the AP has A plus D, A plus 2D respectively, which means sum of all odd terms will be how much? It will be sum of all odd terms will be which is equal to 24 equal to n by 2, number of odd terms will be n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into common difference here is 2 times d. Why? Next number is an even term. So we need to go to the next odd term. We only adding the odd terms, which means it is alternative one after the other. Not immediately after, it is the, we will do, if 1, 2, 3, 4, we will take this, which means we need 2 times. When you add 2 times, then only you will get the next odd digit. Now, what is the sum of all even number? Sum of all even number equal to 24, 30. Sum of all even number is 30. Sum of all even number is 30. Then there is one more thing. What is the sum of all odd number n by 2 into 2 times? First digit is how much? First term is how much? A plus d. First odd even term is a plus d. Second term is a plus d plus n minus 1 into, here also common difference is 2 times d. Now we can simplify this expression. We will get one equation. When you simplify, 24 equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. First equation I am writing as it is. In second equation, I am splitting this value. Can write it as 30 equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into 2d plus 2 times d. I have opened this value. This will be 2a plus 2d, and I have grouped these two values, 2a into this, and this term I have grouped. Now, can I write it like this? 30 equal to, or I can write it here, 30 equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into 2 times d. First equation, there is a 2 here, it is 2, plus n by 2 into 2d. I have applied distributive property. Applied distributive property. Now, this value equal to 24, or you can subtract both equation or directly substitute 24. 30 equal to 24 plus half and 2 cancel, it will be nd, which means n times common difference equal to how much? It is equal to 6. 30 minus 24 is 6. Expression number 1. Now, the last term exceeds the first term by 10.5, which means last term is a 2nth term, which is equal to a plus 2n minus 1 into d, and a is the first term. So a 2n minus a equal to how much? 2n minus 1 into d. This is how, this is that the last term exceeds the first term by how much value? It is equal to 10.5. 10.5 you can write it as 10 plus half. Now when you open it, 2nd minus d equal to 10 plus half. What is the value of nd? Nd equal to 6. 2nd equal to 12 minus d equal to 10 plus half. When you bring this 10 and subtract, it will be 2 minus d equal to half. If you subtract this half from 2, it is, half is 0.5. 2 minus d equal to 0.5. When you subtract it, 1.5 minus d equal to 0, which means d equal to 1.5 or 3 by 2. D equal to 3 by 2. Now, nd equal to, what is the value of nd? nd equal to 6, which means in number of terms equal to 6 divided by d. What is the reciprocal of d? D is 3 by 2. Reciprocal is 2 by 3. This will be cancelled. It will be 4. Now n equal to 4 means n is the number of even terms or number of odd terms. Total number of terms is 2n, which is equal to 8. Therefore, this AP has total 8 terms. Let A1, A2, A3, etc. A and B in AP. If A5 equal to 2 times A7 and A11 equal to 18, Then we need to find this value. In order to find this value, we can start from here. This value will help us to find the value of a and first term and common difference, but there is no need to find the value of first term. We just only need common difference. With the common difference, we can solve everything. Now, 12 into, see, before proceeding, I am taking only the first term, this term, only the first term. First term, in first term, 1 by root of a10 plus root of a11. If you multiply with the conjugate a10, or if you want, you can rearrange it. Better, you can rearrange. 1 by root of a10 plus root of a11 equal to 1 by root of a11 plus root of a10. If you take conjugate, what will be the value? Root of a11 minus root of a10. Multiply the conjugate with the numerator and denominator. Now, this is equal to root of a11 minus root of a10 divided by a plus b into a minus b form. A plus b into a minus b form. A plus b into a minus b form. A plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. What is a10 minus a11 minus a10? It is the common difference, which is equal to root of a11 minus root of a10 divided by d, which means the first value you can substitute as 12 into this value is 1 root of a11 minus root of a10 divided by d. Similarly, all other values, this will be root of a12 minus root of a11 divided by common difference d plus etc. plus root of a18 minus root of a17 divided by common difference d. Now you can take the d value common. 12 divided by d into root of a11 minus root of a10 plus root of a12 minus root of a11 etc. plus root of a18 minus root of a17. Now, see, this first negative term, positive term, cancel with the second negative term. Similarly, this will be cancelled with the next term. Therefore, this value minus root a10 will be there. Minus root a10 will be there. Similarly, this negative term cancels with the previous group of terms, two terms. This will be cancelling with the previous term, and if you want to cancel this term, this will be only cancel with the next term. See, this positive term, first term only cancel with the second term of the next thing, which means this first term you need the second term of the other term, but there is no other term, which means this value will be there. It will be root of a18. Now, we can find the value of d and a using this expression. No need to find the value of a. a5 equal to a7 into 2 or 2 times a7, which means a5 is a plus 4 times d, which is equal to 2 into a plus 6d. a7 is a plus 6d, which means a plus 4d equal to 2a plus 12d. So when you subtract, 0 equal to 2a minus a is a, 12d minus 4d is 8d. Similarly, a11 is equal to 18. 18 equal to a11. a11 means a plus 10 times d. When you subtract these two equation number 2 minus 1, you will get 18 equal to 2 times d, common difference equal to 9. Common difference equal to 9. Common difference equal to 9, which means it is 12 divided by 9. Now, this term is root of a18 minus root of a10. How will you calculate? We need root 18th term, but we have 11th term. 11th term is a plus 10 times d. A plus 10 times d is 18. It is a11. We have 11th term. So 11th term, when you subtract one time common difference, which means a plus 9d is a10. This is a11. So from a11, if you subtract d, you will get a10. So when you subtract d value, what will you get? 18 minus 9 is 9, which means a10 equal to 9. This is root 9. a10 equal to 9. Now what is the value of a? 18. We have a plus 10d, that is 11th term equal to a plus 10d, which is equal to 18. So when you add 7 times d, when you add 7 times d, it will be a plus 10d plus 7 times d equal to 18 plus 7 times d. 7 times d is 7 into 9, d value is 9, which means a plus 17d, that is 18th term equal to, this 18 can be written as 2 into 9 plus 7 into 9, which means when you take 9 common, it will be 2 plus 7, it will be 9 into 9, 81. You can directly calculate without finding the a value, you can calculate, which means a 81 is root 81. Now we can simplify. 12 by 9 we can cancel with 3, it will be 4 by 3, 4 by 3, 4 by 3 into root 81 is 9 and root 9 is 3, 4 by 3 into 9 minus 3 is 6, it will be, when you cancel it will be 2, 2 into 4, 8, our answer will be 8. Find the sum of this series contains 20 terms, there are 20 terms. Now what I am doing, I have observed in all terms there is a 2 common, I am taking 2 common. If I take 2 common, it will be 2 square minus 3 square plus 4 square, next time will be minus 5 square, etc. It will go on till 20 term. 2 into, I can group these two terms as 20 square minus 3 square plus 4 square minus 5 square, etc. There are 20 terms are there. Now 2 into a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. This is similarly a minus b into a plus b, etc. Now 2 into 2 minus 3 minus 1, minus 1 into 2 plus 3, then 4 minus 5 minus 1 into 4 plus 5, etc. If I take minus common, it will be minus 2 into 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus, etc. up to 21, because there are 20 terms are there. There are 20 terms are there, because one is not there, terms start from 2. There will be, if one was there, then there will be 20 will be the 20th term, but if it is start from 2, 21 will be the 20th term. Now I am adding 1 and subtracting 1. This is the sum of first 21 natural number. Sum of n natural number equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2, which means this is equal to minus 2 into 21 into 22 divided by 2 minus 1. This will be 11. 11 into 21 will be 21. 2 plus 1, 3 minus 1. Just write these two value and add the middle value into minus 2, which is equal to minus 2 into 230, which is equal to minus 460. Let us solve this question. The sum of 16 terms of an AP whose first term is and third terms are 5 and 15 respectively. This question is very simple. First term A is 5 and third term is A plus 2D equal to 15. When you subtract it, you will get 2D equal to 10, D value equal to 5. Now sum of 16 term equal to 16 by 2, n by 2 into 2 into a plus n minus 1 into common difference d, direct equation. Sum of n terms equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This will be S16 equal to, this will be 8, 8 into, this will be how much? You can take 5 common, which means 15 plus 2 is 17. You can multiply, this will be how much? This will be, there is one more option when you calculate with 5. If you want, you can do this. 8 you can write it as 2 into 4 into 5 into 17. I have split it. 2 into 4 is 5 into 2 is 10. 10 into 4 is 40 into 17. 17 is 10 plus 7. 10 times 40 is 400. 7 times 40 is 280. Our value will be 680.